Good morning, guys. My name is Andre Tredu. I'm the hunting outfitter and the professional hunter at Ronnekop Safaris. We are situated in a very special area of South Africa. We're in the Vredefort Dome that is caused by a meteorite that fell down a couple of million years ago. And the terrain that you guys will find here is very mountain ranges, and there's a lot of valleys and hills, but also there is some grasslands where we can do some longer hunting shots. But the bushy areas will help with cover, and we can do a bit of walk and stalk. That's one of my favorite things to do. The property is about 2,500 acres, so it's a good size for some good African hunting. And the species that you guys can get here, we've got two of the big five. We've got rhinos, white rhinos, and then we have buffalo on the property. And then there's a lot of plains game species, from giraffe all the way down to springbuck. We've got some good kudu, black wildebeest, blue wildebeest, red hartebeest, and a lot of other species that you can hunt with us. The lodge is well situated. There's a couple of rooms. We've got 6 double bedrooms, and the rooms have a double bed in with their own ensuite bathroom and toilet and everything. So yeah, we can't wait to welcome you guys, and let's make your African dream come true.